Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, I'm going to teach you exactly how you can add a numbered list to your documents and lists or text in general on Google Docs really quickly and with ease. So let us get started right away. So in the first step, head over to the document you would like to edit and customize and find, for example, the spot where you'd like to add to place your numbered list. So let me go, for example, with that spot here or that area. And what you want to do after that, guys, is take a look at that list of tabs here at the top. And amongst these, you will see a tab called Numbered List. This one here, you may add that numbered list using a shortcut, Ctrl+Shift+7 on your keyboard. Or if you'd like to customize your numbered list, simply click on that numbered list menu here on that drop-down icon. And after that, simply pick your preferred style. So let me go with a simple numbered list like that one here. And that is going to add the first bullet point or numbered bullet point to your list, so you may fill it with content. And if you'd like to go to the next level, simply press enter and fill it again with content. Now if you'd like to go, for example, to a sub level of that list, for example, simply press tab on your keyboard, and that is going to take you to the next lower level of that list. And you can repeat that as often as you like by pressing tab and so on and so forth, guys. So that's basically it. That's how I do it. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.